Beyond Airbus and Boeing lies a different aviation story. A world shaped by Soviet ambition, Cold War engineering, and machines built for vast distances and extreme conditions. This is the complete evolution of Russian passenger aircraft. One of the world's first jet airliners. Introduced in the 1950s, the Tu-104 brought jet travel to the Soviet Union just years after the West entered the jet age. It was fast, bold, and ahead of its time, but also unforgiving. A turboprop giant unlike anything else. Derived from a strategic bomber, the Tu-114 became the fastest and most luxurious propeller airliner ever built. It proved the Soviet Union could rival long-haul aviation in its own way. The Soviet long-range flagship. With its 4 rear-mounted engines and intercontinental reach, the Il-62 connected Moscow to the world during the height of the Cold War. It became a symbol of Soviet global presence. A compact jet for regional travel. The Tu-134 served short routes across Eastern Europe and beyond, becoming one of the most recognizable Soviet airliners. Small, loud, and iconic. The workhorse of Soviet aviation. For decades, the Tu-154 dominated medium-haul travel across the USSR and later Russia. Rugged and powerful, it was built for harsh runways and extreme climates. A smaller tri-jet for domestic routes. The Yak-42 offered a more modern and efficient alternative for shorter distances, balancing capacity with reliability. It quietly supported regional aviation for years. The Soviet wide-body era begins. The Il-86 was Russia's first true wide-body passenger aircraft, designed for mass transport rather than luxury, built for volume, not glamour. A modernized long-haul successor. With updated avionics and improved efficiency, the Il-96 carried the Soviet wide-body legacy into the post-Soviet era. But history was already changing. Russia's attempt at a modern narrow-body. Developed to compete with Western jets, the Tu-04 family introduced digital cockpits and new materials. A bridge between eras. A new generation emerges. The Superjet marked Russia's return to global civil aviation with modern design and international collaboration. A step toward reinvention. From early jet pioneers to modern reinvention, Russian passenger aircraft tell a story shaped by ideology, geography, and engineering resilience. And this was only one chapter in the global history of flight. Subscribe and explore the machines that shaped our world.